Day one of reconstruction or framing. So I guess you can hardly see it behind the scaffold, but that wall is filled in. We got a header. We got another header. These fill-ins over here. So this is our arch. We have a closet wall. We have a ceiling. And now we have a bedroom wall. All right, so that's the doorway to the bedroom. There we go. All right. Garage foundation. What a big door. Wow. It's going to be nice. And we got bricks all the way around. Okay, so this is Thursday, day 3 of framing. And we're walking in the side door here. And we have a wall for the bathroom, I guess. That would be the dining room, bathroom wall and the doorway. That's kind of cool. They have all of the rafters and stuff up there for the wall for the roof. Looks like we got dormer roughed in. That's kind of cool. And there's the other little dormer. Not much different out here. Okay, here we are, Saturday, July 27th. This is after 4 days of framing work. The guys have obviously some of the dining room walls in and some of the ceiling. Not much different in there. Those walls have been there. You've seen those before, but the big difference is upstairs. So we have roof and ceilings, or roof. We have walls. I've never done this before, but we're going to try. We got a temporary floor up here so that we can go in here and see what this is going to look like. So that's going to get filled in. And here we have our little extra dormer. That's kind of cool.
So they did this a while ago. They moved the door from there to there. And we have a new window. There used to not be 2 windows here. That was original. They just added that one. And then we have, they leveled the floor, which is pretty cool. Wow, it's pretty cool.
It's kind of neat what they did. Let me see if I can zoom in. And they actually just put a board on the roof and nailed the rafter extensions to that. And there we go. And these are the long ones on this side. They have to be all the new ones. So that's the extension of that reverse gable. So that's the south side of the dormer. I've already talked about the east side of the dormer at the first video, but that's a little bit left to do, and then there'll be a brow where the old roof line was. There'll be a brow there and one at the top. Okay, so now we're upstairs in the south bedroom. So we got a wall to finish there. We got a window. We have a dormer with a little nook there. That's kind of cool. You can't see it here, but this is the closet between the steps and the room. This will be the bathroom upstairs. So let's see, I think this will be the toilet and stuff over here, and maybe a tub, and the sink will go there. Once again, a lot of nice room, higher ceilings, just super duper. So this is the closet for the second upstairs bedroom, and it'll be a walk-through closet. This is a doorway to get into either the steps or into the area above the den. Okay, Saturday, August 3rd, and the guys were here working today for a while, and they got quite a few things done. Our mud room and laundry room are all done. We have a shower wall and a potty, and then our closet. Our new kitchen window framed in. So those things on the side have to get filled in. I don't know how that's going to go. Mom and Eric are discussing it. Anyway, this is our mudroom. That's the door to the garage, the door to the pantry, and the door to the laundry. This will be the laundry room, laundry utility room, whatever. So they've not done anything in the den. We have a closet to frame out and a bathroom to frame out. Okay, we're outside, and this is the gable all studded out and covered up, or part of it anyway. The part that's not covered up is going to have the garage trusses over there, so they're probably waiting to get them in. And the garage sill plates are on. That's a kind of an interesting little thing. So it's looking good. Really liking the new us.
Right.
What do you think, Fry? Is it fun? Yeah? A little different, huh?
So this is the dining room, and this is the dining room. And then this is, what is this room right here?
That would be the laundry.
This is the laundry. Is that the pantry?
No, that's the mud room. The pantry's over there.
Oh, mud room, laundry, pantry. Woo! And this is the kitchen.
It's going to get covered up.
Oh. You were thinking about exposing it?
I would like to have it exposed, but
Oh. They said no.
the interior designers don't agree.
Oh.
Hey.
Smaller window. Right now. Smaller window. You come in the garage.
You're in the mud room.
Doot, doot, doot. Mud room. Mud, 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 mud.
There's a closet over here, and then the rest of this thing. There'll be a door up there too.
So this whole area you're looking at is den.
Yep.
Oh.
And then.
Hey, Fry. So what are you gonna do in there? Is that your office?
Yeah. It'll be our office.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But just like it was.
Come on, I'll just have to wash your feet. Come on.
You'll have to clean it because it's dirty.
It's dirty, but this is the first time you've been up here in a while, puppy. Like ever. Ooh. Oh my.
You'll have a pocket door into the bathroom.
Oh my. Okay. This is the bathroom.
Yep, that's the bathroom. And this is the south bedroom. So your closet doorway is over here.
Okay.
And this is your closet. And now you've got 3 windows in here instead of 1.
Oh, so good.
And tall ceilings. Okay, so now you go into the
This is the other room.
north bedroom.
What's this?
And so
A small
this
closet?
is the little closet.
Oh, this wasn't here before.
Right.
Oh.
So this knee wall was all the way up over.
Oh.
And then Eric had this bright idea.
Because it's wasted space.
So that this is the little closet.
Oh.
And then this area, that doorway was, so this was the door to the closet and that was the door out. That whole thing's gonna go away. So this is gonna go away.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh, so yeah, okay. So this is all gonna be a seating area.
And then there's gonna be a doorway here, and I'm waiting to see how they're gonna do that. And they're gonna expose that whole space. So if you can squeeze in there, or actually just look in that window there.
What are you talking about?
Go look in that window and look this way. Now look up. You see how high and big that space is?
Oh.
We're gonna have access to that entire area.
Oh.
So if there's a second furnace, hey, get over here. There's a second furnace, which there might have to be for the second floor.
Oh.
And then this area here is, watch the first step here, it's pretty bad. This area here,
Oh, this smells.
it smells. So I have to get that crystal resin and spray this whole thing. Yeah. But yeah, it smells because they didn't take the roof decking off or the 2x6.
They just put up new rafters.
They just put in new rafters. There's going to be a skylight over there.
I was just gonna say, Mom was telling me about a skylight.
Should be
Okay.
a skylight.
Because there's no light in here right now. I don't know. Friday, no. This is bigger. Does feel bigger. So
So I was claiming, see, they can take this out. This
Yeah.
is not necessary.
And there's another
Or
section.
that, and then you got more storage.
Right.
Put a little doorway in that way.
Yeah, because that's the old knee wall. This is the new knee wall.
Right. Okay, so it's Monday, August 19th. Should have done this the other day. I think on Friday the framers were done with 99.9% of their task. There may be some minor things that have to be done, but we're going to take a walk through now that we'll say framing is done. Chris and Joyce cleaned up the floor yesterday, vacuumed the junk out, the big chunks anyway. So now we have a new subfloor in the dining room, the living room, or the kitchen, I mean. Yeah, this is the kitchen. Okay, so then when we come around here to the mud room, we got subfloor in there, we got subfloor in the pantry, we have subfloor in the laundry. So everything that's getting subfloor is done now. All right, we're picking up into the hallway going into the basement and into the bedroom and bathroom. So the bedroom has subfloor, And we are also going to have a tray ceiling in here. All right, we're going upstairs into bedroom 2, and I'm 99% sure I already showed you the closet here. And now this is truly a loft, and that light in there is coming from the skylight, which is kind of neat. And then they cut in a door over here, which we will fill in and obviously put a nice door in there, but we call this the bonus room, I guess. It's a big area above the mudroom, under the reverse gable, and next to the garage. And this is a huge area that we're going to be able to either have a furnace and or storage. And then up here is either storage or my hideout. We'll have to figure that out yet. Let's see, I think that's it. It's Monday, September 23rd. Not really done a lot of videos lately, so several weeks, I imagine. And there's really nothing extremely obvious done here, except we have a lot of the mechanicals in place. So we have a lot of electrical wire hanging around, a lot of ducting from the furnaces. And yeah, we'll have 3 furnaces. We have one over here in the family room crawl space. That'll deal with the family room, the den, and the dining room, and the mud room, and the laundry. And you can see some of the plumbing stuff here for the laundry. I'm going to see if I can get in here. This is the bathroom, and we got a lot of the plumbing done for that. Yeah, there's the 220 box for the dryer, the water hookups for the washer. You know, again, more electrical for lights and outlets. These boxes here are all the siding that's going to be going up soon, so that's all good. But check this out. Oh, those wires. It's a 40 circuit box that's probably got about 35 or 36 circuits dedicated already. Anyway, going from the mudroom to the kitchen, plumbing for the kitchen sink, and again, all the infrastructure for outlets and lights, all that good stuff. Again, bathroom, shower, all the shower valves. Okay, so now this is Joyce's old hair room. We still got our water tank, old one here. It's going to get scrapped, and our old furnace. But this room is going to be completely empty. It's going to be kind of nice. And there's the plumbing, hot and cold water manifolds. We'll be able to go to one spot and be able to turn water off for any room or area. Our new furnace, a new hot water tank, and we went with electric hot water tank. And these are like 95% efficient furnaces. And then if we look over here, plumbing, drains, and supply for the master bath.
Haven't done one of these in a while, but as you can see, we're upstairs. We have a lot of electricity done, all the duct work for heating and cooling, because this whole upstairs has its own furnace. And we have electricity in the house. Woohoo! So this is the first time I've been at the house since Friday's passing just a couple days ago, and I'm very sad. Let's do a quick update. We've got some electric going on here with some foam, insulation. We have, ooh, look at this. There's a thermostat. 62. Got some plumbing going on. Got a lot of pocket lights in this house. A lot of pocket lights. The kitchen area. The closet. This is the master bath. And laundry room. This is the laundry room. Garage is a mess. Got most of the siding done. This is going to be another full bath. Don't ask me why, but it is. This is going to be a closet, huge closet. It's going to be another den area. And that's it.